Before we go into that review, I want to ask the question here. What you done do with a pitney?
An anja, a stone.
It was not me.
Skylar,
Yes?
who write this on the car?
I don't know.
Skylar,
Yes?
don't make me ask you one more time.
Okay.
No, come on, you can't come on.
Wait, that's not real. This not real.
You can't come on.
Wait. Oh, really? 2 times 7 equal 14. Who write that on the car?
I don't know.
Skylar, who write that on the car?
It was Elijah.
You tell me lie?
No.
You lying to me?
No.
Who write that on the car? Huh?
I do not know.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are gone. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, you can further support the channel by visiting our merch store. So that's www.teespring.com/store/ChaddyMurrayTV. That's teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurrayTV. There was a video circulating on the internet with a man where we can call him on the Hellshire boss. I'm going to tell him right name in a few. But Hellshire boss is there over Hellshire and the police them circle him. I tell him to lock off a party or him fi, put on a mask and stuff like that. Hellshire boss get cross and send up the police them way up. I'm not going to tell you away, but way up over one part. Disrespect the police them wicked. So the next day the police them circle him for arrest him. And you don't know say him did end up get arrested, but not without putting up a fight. So today we get the understanding that Hellshire boss is now convicted of some crime. Jano, all of that, and Hellshire boss get fined $26,000 or 80 days in jail. So the reports are 42-year-old Stephen Witter, who was arrested and charged by members of the St. Andrew North Division for several breaches, was convicted today when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Witter, who was seen in viral videos, was arrested on Monday, March 8th, and subsequently charged. His sentence is as follows: breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, $10,000 or 30 days. Resisting arrest, $2,000 or 10 days. Disorderly conduct, $1,000 or 10 days. Indecent language, $1,000 or 10 days. Obstructing police, $2,000 or 10 days. Assaulting police officer, $10,000 or 10 days. In total, Witter was fined $26,000 or 80 days in jail. He is to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court on Tuesday, March 30 to answer to additional charges laid against him in that division.
If you know we're good for you, turn these dirty thinking, drive them in the sea. I want to drive them go about in the business. I want to call the army and tell them, say, miss, my name Stephen my Witter. I mean, they are held up on the beach and no boy can take me for this until me ready to go home.
So people, when me look in the comment section, a lot of people are commenting and I say, yo, this come like one big joke. It's like them I say all of that just for $26,000. And that work out to $175 US in case you're in the States and wondering. So the people must say, yo, the justice system is a big joke. It better them they go look for some serious man where do some serious crime and left this brother just make him go and talk off him face. So a thought come to me and I say, what if it was in the United States? You know, where the charges are different and stuff like that. Would it be the same fine and fees? So I went ahead and linked a lawyer, which him a go remain anonymous for now. But no say he's a legit criminal lawyer. I went ahead and say, yo brother, what if this happened at Jamaica. He never necessarily know about the story, so I had to send him a few clips and stuff like that. And this was his response. The first video would have been free speech. The officer might have gotten in trouble for pushing the cameraman, but it depends, because you have to give the police officer space. The patwa is thick, but as long as you don't threaten violence to an officer, then you are protected. And people, the patwa, you must say the patwa is thick. Him understand patwa, but probably him not understand every single thing what the man a say. Now, I send him another video where he must stand up in front of the police jeep. And this was his response to that video. Second video is a problem. That one looks like obstruction of justice by stepping in front the police vehicle while he is on duty. And for obstruction of justice, you look upon 1 to 5 years in prison. Basically, that he must say. Alright? So people, the laws in Jamaica and the laws overseas, it kind of different, because in the first place, the man wouldn't be wanted and stuff like that. Because basically, what the lawyer here say, a freedom of speech. So when them did go circling on Hellshire and him a run with the police and stuff like that, if it was in America, he would have been freed of those charges. So meaning, the police them would have to go for him must stand up in front of the police jeep in the first place. You get what I say? But this are my 2 cents on the whole topic. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. You feel like say I waste a police officer them a waste time? Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Make we move on. So people, you know say I can't do the video here and don't involve some little mix up, some little drama. And you know say this month near March Madness, where every single week some viral video go around and somebody a get exposed. No, that person not get exposed yet, but somebody threatened to expose this person. And I kind of can say that person here get exposed to, because something was said where it don't really look good on the entertainer. Which entertainer me attack? Me attack Masicka with them 2 big Masicka. John no star. So people, me dep on the gram, I scroll and I mind my business. You see me? When somebody send me this post, I say, yo, watch you know? You know see, you look like say Masicka, the DJ Masicka. Did have a mouth wait no figure. So me I say nothing like that. The DJ nah do them thing there. You see me? And them say, brother, read the post. So I go over there now and I watch what I go on. And I see this girl. I not gonna really mention the female name. Make we just keep that anonymous. So the female make a post about the entertainer. We don't look good upon the entertainer. And I gonna read that post phone right now. Masicka F who and give who 2K. Wanna get on the facts straight for me now. Me supposed to tattoo him name. Him did a mind me and him mouth did under me. So Chaddy burn off. Anyway, people, how are the female post? Zine? Him did a mind me and him mouth did under me. So me supposed to tattoo him name. Why him never tell uno that part? Mind me of Lego screenshots and Lego video and end the night. Remember me a dog and the world know that. So any video leak and me, I care zero. Jano Star. And we are talking about the entertainer called Masicka. It don't look good. It don't look good. People I don't know what go on with the month, I know. But from the other day, I just be people I get released. I just be a video leak. From them catch the policeman I eat ice cream like the girl, them get brave up now. And I say, yo, you know me I got leak, you know? I don't know. Star. But wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole allegation, and just tell me what you think about the topics we discuss today. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, me a beg you know. You see, if you like this video, share to at least 3 persons. Zine, make them have a laugh too. Make them know what go on in our country. Make them get some understanding. Because I know so you enjoy the video, yeah? So from you enjoy the video, just share it out for me now, and please, me a beg you know. YouTube, I give me a fight. Is it? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and a one way and any other way, are the wrong way. We're gone.